Hello everybody, Estian from Estian Gaming here, and today marks the first day, first video that we upload on Salty Battle Pit. I can do intros. We're gonna be having a 1st to 5 set against my boy Chainsaw. This motherfrigger has been beating me for too freaking long. I should probably look at the camera. Beat me for too freaking long. He beat me in tournament. He beat me in a freaking, what was it? He beat me in a first best of 5 and 2 best of 3s. That's like, that's 4 losses. That's 4 too many. But today's day I'm gonna freaking take him down. So let's freaking get into it. He beat me for too freaking long. I'm gonna end that freaking streak today. He beat me in a tournament. He beat me at best of 3, best of 5, and another best of 3. Not exactly in that order, but motherfucker's beat me for too long, and I can beat him. I have. It's like he just beats me when it freaking matters. So let's put this. Let's put him away. Let's put this man away. I'm gonna drag him in here. Hey, Chain.
What the hell?
Welcome to the ring.
Okay.
Get the frig in here.
I'm playing against Glitcher right now.
Why'd you make this? There's no point.
For competitive sets. Come on.
Go ahead
Competitive.
and delete it.
Oh man. Okay, I'm playing Glitcher right now at the moment, and then I'll fight you in like 2 more rounds.
All right, Chain. You've been beating me for too long. That ends freaking tonight.
Hold on, let me stream so that
Why?
has something to see to watch. Since he's gonna be bored.
No, he's not. He's gonna be laughing. Like a no-lifer that he is.
I have no life.
Yes, you have no life.
Says the man who doesn't have a job.
Hello.
What? Are you helloing?
Fucking Luca.
Okay, I was like, what? I can commentate.
Commentate? Alright. Game Glitcher is doing his best. He got that confirm that he pulled out of his rectum.
What do you mean?
Here we are.
I'm trying to do the same thing when I fought you as Yuka, and then it's not working. The
No.
strategy.
It's different Yuka. I mean, different Suika.
Misses the Oki. Smashes his freaking face in because of Sun Shower, Glitcher's favorite.
Oh.
Tries to big brain, but he was too slow. He's got Massacre in hand. Chainsaw doesn't fall for it.
I
He
tried
was,
to do it.
he was in too
No.
much hits. He's in too much block stun.
You're a block stun.
Oh.
Chainsaw is not staying still for 2 seconds, and he's bleeding.
That's the setup.
But Glitcher is bleeding more, and that's all that matters.
Uh-oh.
Glitcher has no orbs. No, Chainsaw has no orbs. I'm a good commentator.
Not a good commentator.
Chainsaw playing Yuka as if I were to play her, which is disgusting and beautiful at the same time.
Oh,
Glitcher once again out of his rectum, pulling a confirm for that card.
Hey. Calculate. That. What? Blah. This is not the card for Yuka, I'll tell you that. This Gnome Dance, not for Yuka. Not for against Yuka.
or at least the way I'm.
I don't know. I find it would be just fine because most of her air melees are reasonably slow.
Oh.
So anytime you catch air mashing, the least optimal confirm I've ever seen in my life. They're swinging. They're swinging. They're slugging it out.
Ryan.
Chainsaw playing Yuka like he's playing Balrog, and it's working.
Balrog.
Balrog is a boxing character in Street Fighter.
That
Oh my
name
God.
down. I forgot it.
An actually good confirm. Let's go.
That's plus. What?
Whoop.
So fucking. Yuka is so fucking stupid.
Chainsaw pulling over the freaking BS66B, it looks like.
Hey.
66A. That's a 66A, excuse me? No. 66As in Soku are dash attacks that are typically unsafe on block, but can be cancelled into specials.
That's the 668. That's
What
668
the
is one that,
frick?
like,
668 is like the lightning fast wall slam.
That's a load of horse.
good. On the spot. Do 6 feet. Or don't.
Oh yeah, this one. That's the
full screening this. Let's go. Glitcher misspacing as many things as he can in as a short amount of time as he can. But he still knows that 66B is life.
What the fuck? Okay, you can 66A. 66B is way too fast for its own good. I did not be able to single plunger it and then hit somebody through the projectile.
Well, let the grazing move. It grazes. Oh.
Chainsaw dunking on Suika, the lolly dunker herself.
Flushed.
But Suika having J5A of the gods last a whole like 20 frames. Who needs spacing?
Yuka about to kill me. Run away.
Get away. That 66C is dumb. Wait, no, that might be 66B. I don't remember.
Oh.
Slugging it out. He's playing SF5 in Soku. That's illegal.
It's true.
Oh, I thought
He's slugging again. He almost killed off of 2 autos. I wouldn't. Oh, you poor soul. Oh!
In the game.
Wrong blocked it. Probably plus, but didn't choose the right. And he slugs it out.
Just slug it out. Slug it out with this fucking girl. The gorilla setup character. Just. Oh.
The minute that I get level 2 of this, you're done.
Oh yeah, that's right. I should be leveling up cars. I forgot about that.
Chainsaw literally forgetting 80% of his character, and it's working. He backdashes the rock. Why would you do that?
I wanted to get out of there.
That's the thing. The rock isn't grazable.
Oh! Atlas out
Mountain
of the anus power.
Straight out of the freaking cornel.
Oh, no,
But it might not matter. He might get dunked on. Well, sort of. It's okay. It's okay, because Chainsaw's autos are freaking, like, excuse me. He whiffs a dash attack, but Glitcher doesn't know Glitcher doesn't know the spacing of auto combos, so it doesn't matter. Get punched in the face.
We can't get there. We can't. No, we can't.
Fine, one freaking last one, and then I need my set.
Okay, we're not ending there. We're not.
This is a nightmare.
One more, then I'm
need a
getting my
melee.
set.
I need melee. I need this. Not that. This.
I've been telling you this the whole time, and you're only just understanding now.
Ah, fuck. Okay, yeah, you're right.
It's a good card. And it's safe. What? What?
Or domain together, boy. Get over
Chainsaw opting to get the hell out of there. Glitcher eating 300 million K. And Chainsaw almost slugs it out. He slugs it out again.
Chainsaw's J5A outspeeding Suika's J6A despite me doing it like way earlier.
Oh my god.
How did that not hit?
Archetypes are a social construct of Chain.
Chainsaw would rather mash the button than play the character.
I mean, I am playing the character, aren't
Yes! I mean, Glitcher, that's what you do.
Most of the time.
Yes. Chainsaw, dashing for 3 trillion years, Glitcher does nothing.
Can't follow up off of that. Need the 3A instead of the 2B. My finger is slow. Forgot that's plus.
Chain is just being illegal.
Got enough of this.
Can he get the schmicks? No, he doesn't know the spacing of that move at all. It doesn't matter, he backdashed it.
I missed it.
Typhoon?
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Oh, you should have just mashed or, like, just did anything into bullet and ran. That's
Yeah,
okay.
you're right.
That's alright.
You're right.
Glitcher gets a clutch freaking purple power, but he still disappoints me every time.
Get away from me.
Get away from what?
This. You with basically Oku damage mashing your auto combo. Wait.
Ow, fuck.
Chainsaw does not believe in archetypes.
Nope.
Why should he?
Make the point.
Oh, getting outmatched by Suika, a not overly unlikely occurrence. He wants to get the plus dash attack, but he's just not close enough because of Suika's broken backdash and run, or walk.
Your mom's a walk. Got him. I thought you did the dash attack.
Damn.
Will Glitcher,
It's game time.
will Glitcher close it out?
You did. Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
I want to do another. I want to
Alright.
see what to do against this deck. Oh,
One last one.
one
no,
last one.
Estian, we're gonna go until we're satisfied and you're gonna commentate. It's gonna be funny.
I booked this freaking set.
Yeah, don't worry,
Die.
don't worry. Last one for real.
I mean, I've got like until 4, but still.
And I've got until I can be asked to go upstairs. Okay.
Chainsaw abusing plus frames, because that is the most illegal dash attack I've seen since... I don't know. That's like the most illegal dash attack, period. Gnome Dents being unreliable, as usual.
What is happening?
What is happening? I don't know.
No, my card. Why didn't it?
Chain assaulting Glitcher with an ocean of melees.
Where'd the DP go? Where'd the DP go? Where'd it go? Where'd my DP go?
Where'd Glitcher's DP go?
Estian ate it.
On fat.
Yes, you are.
What just happened there?
Chain opting to frig off as he should. Brave doesn't border escape. Doesn't need to. As Glitcher runs out of orbs getting there.
Yes.
Chain's got the setup. Prepare for plus frames.
Bullet hitting me off screen.
Fucking hell.
That's not what I meant.
Glitcher still being a 2B enthusiast.
Flower Sports this! I did it too early.
I did.
Glitcher got absolutely snuffed out. Entirely.
Ah.
Maybe I'll force you to set up for a change.
Which is a good thing. Like...
Oh. Yeah, it is.
The good thing for me, because I don't have to deal with this mash.
Chain remembering he has a laser.
That's not what I meant. That's what I meant.
Glitcher still being as disappointing as ever with purple power because he's trash with purple power.
J5A hitting me despite not graphically hitting me. I'm gonna go complain to Fear right now.
Oh my god. Fuck this.
Alright, stop. Estian, give me a couple more.
No. We said that was the freaking last one.
Yeah, don't worry.
Die.
Don't worry. Last one for real.
You've been playing him for like an hour,
I
right?
hate losing. No, we haven't. We've been playing Skyrim. I've played him for 20 minutes.
Alright, that's 20 minutes more than me.
No, go away. You have all the time in the world.
Hold on, one more. Oh, let's see. Okay, one more.
Actually, the last one.
Last one for real, because he switched characters like a fucking mongoloid. Let's go.
Glitcher having no faith in his Suika.
I mean, he has not done any blabbing whatsoever. So.
I mean, I saw how the matchup went with you. I already knew it was gonna be bad.
Yeah, but no, it was bad for me because you were setting up and I couldn't stay on you. You just ate everything.
Because I tried to play her more like a zoner, and apparently Yuka's melees beat.
Suika is not a zoner. She's defensive, but not a zoner.
I apparently didn't have any dashes, right?
Ooh. Chainsaw bleeding in neutral because Swaku's pressure is actually broken. We're seeing some neutral. I hate it.
Oh, I see it. I'm seeing it. Yeah.
I knew you were gonna try and mash me. I waited for the right opportunity. Oh.
Chainsaw blocking that cross up because he's actually mental.
The 6B not hitting him. I thought I charged it twice instead of once.
Chainsaw, remember, he has a
Flying
laser.
above the setup.
Glitcher blocking that because he's also mental.
Will this hit him?
Glitcher
It will
also not getting the
That was
confirm
counter
because
hit directly in front of me.
he can't confirm that card to save his life.
Nope.
At all. I saw him do it like 3 times maybe.
Ever.
In the span of 2 years. Chainsaw getting schmicked because that card is freaking dumb.
Ran out of canceling ability.
Dang it.
Chainsaw's getting sat down. What'll he do? He'll mash. Why would he do anything else? And he takes the round!
Anything else? It's a legitimate question.
Glitcher having no Oki, and if he doesn't have consistent Oki, he can't beat the mash like that. When will he mash this time? He'll get guard broken, never mind.
Damn it.
Glitcher setting up the Oki. Oh my god!
Yeah, there was nothing I could have done about that one. Oh, alright.
That was disgusting. The only thing you,
Trash out of my face.
the only thing you could have
Learn
done,
to sit down.
the only thing you could have done, Chain, was high jump on Ghetto.
It's not my fault that fucking Yuka is a fair and balanced mid-tier character, okay?
That gets
He but I'm just
focuses
not
on hard work. Chain, we have a very weird dynamic. You beat me in almost all sets, but then you get the short end of the stick on the stream highlights.
I know, you always do. It always happens too. I don't know who to choose. Okay, Reimu.
I was gonna say, if you weren't going to play Reimu, I was gonna be a little surprised.
Yeah, in my head it was either Cherno, Reimu, or Yomo, but it's because I've been putting so much time into Reimu, I should fucking might as well.
Give me my coffee. Hey, what up, Maddie? Welcome to the stream.
Welcome. Can they hear me?
Yes. Actually, might I ask how is the audio? How is everybody else sound? Do a little talking, Chain. Give him a speech.
I'm eating cookies, so I might not be able to say anything. Can they hear that though?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm getting a cookie.
I'm eating cookies. These are good cookies. It's the vanilla. It's like Oreo vanilla cream cookies.
Ooh.
Great. I'm fat. Fucking, my mom and my brother got me hooked on fucking sparkling water or flavored sparkling water,
Okay.
and like, it's so weird because you would have asked me that 3 years ago. I'd say fucking gross.
Oh, you mean like bubbly?
Yeah, but
Ew.
yeah, sparkling means carbonated, flavored carbonated water,
Ew.
right?
Why?
But like, I don't know, man. If it's the right flavoring, then it's good. But I don't know. I guess I'm used to the carbonation now, so I fucking.
One of my friends that drinks bubbly, or whatever the hell it is, freaking sparkling water. She said that you basically have to say you have orange flavored bubbly or something.
Yeah.
She said that what you would have to do is place the orange on the table, and as you drink it, imagine the flavor, because that's how much there is.
Yes, you are goddamn right. There's so little fucking like actual flavor.
I hate it.
Fucking sparkling water.
That's why I don't like tea. That's why I'm not a fan of tea, because it's so weak.
I've got everything ready, lads.
So do I. I'm gonna freaking chug the rest of my coffee.
I've got the snacks, I've got the drinks, I've got my hat, I've got...
Like, with tea, you mostly drink it for either the health benefits or you overload it with sugar and then enjoy the taste.
And then, like, it's like, what are you drinking?
Then it
at
becomes
that
sweet
point?
tea.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Jane, do you have anything to say to the
Stream on
stream
Discord.
before the end of this set?
I say stream on Discord.
All right.
Good luck, have fun.
All right. I'll say the opposite. Let's put this man away and end this goddamn streak. Let's freaking go.
I'm rooting for Chainsaw.
Get some music. I suppose I'll take it. Frick. Here. Oh, yeah. There's a little bit of a delay. Didn't get my two-way. We take round one. Let's go, the freaking whiff punish. Ooh, he gets a full combo off that, excuse me. Holy frick. Didn't complete that. all back. He could have done a really nasty cross up there. Oh, that's tragic. I saw the hugest cross up opportunity. He didn't take it. Alright, that was tight. Like, literally, it was airtight. Oh, he's freaking on me. Okay. That's alright. No, I thought he was gonna whiff. This is alright, this is alright. Frick, that's fast. Oh, why is that so negative? I got the hit. Alright, 2-0. His potions? Why? Okay. One for them. For once in my whole life, I can thank Rivernist. Oh no, it's more like twice in my whole life. For you, Rivernist, that made that tight. Oh, he mashed. Oh man, yeah. Oh, thank you, Rivers. Oh no! He pressed a button! Ooh. Can't afford to be merciful now. Why does it freaking sound like this? He used a Hakaroken mid-screen. Is he a genius or an idiot? Freaking whiffed. Ooh, we got the reads. We're coming in hot. We're ending this man's streak today. That was an actual punch. Ooh. Oh. Oops. I was not supposed to do that. Oh, I wanted to turn around, but I didn't. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. That read made me feel good. Alright, that's okay. Oh. What? I'm calling horse shenanigans. Alright. He chose the mashing life, as did I. Whoa! Oh, that crossed me out. Freaking Tempest, dude. Holy frick. Go. This is where it all comes up. All comes together. Good. It's good. Oh, he's a fucking mad. He's a singular mad. What? Ooh. Spacing. Uh-oh, that sucks. My conversions are good, but they're not that good. I know I can convert off that. Actually, I'm gonna hold on to these cards. Oh no! Oh, he's a freaking weirdo. Oh, I should have done something. Oh. Don't you dare. I didn't do anything. I missed the button. Okay. Holy Jesus. Okay. That's alright, that's not so bad. Got all the cards I need. was gonna work. Don't think I haven't seen that trick before. Just barely missed space there. Oh, Jesus, okay. I've conditioned this man to sit still. Didn't want to do that. I really tried that. I think that's it. I think. Alright.
Disgraceful. That was a disgraceful death.
What do you mean disgraceful?
I couldn't.
Komachi 4A on my I don't know if it stuttered or what, but it looked like he jumped from behind you into it. That's what it looked like on my.
I don't remember that moment.
It looked like you hit him with the back, like behind you, like above your head.
Oh,
Well-
oh yeah.
Well,
It
I
even
think
looked
I
like it
remember
hit
that
you.
point.
Disgrace.
Yeah.
What a
well,
disgrace.
GG's.
Yep. GG's.
Thank you guys for watching to the very end. Man, let me tell you, I needed this set. This man has had too much over me for too long, so I needed it. But this isn't gonna be the last Deferred Chain, because we're gonna be playing Strive. We're gonna be playing some Soku. You better believe we're gonna get the run back. There's gonna be tournaments, some content coming up. But if you want to catch these moments live by any chance, then you can catch me at twitch.tv/TheWildEstian. I almost said the gaming vibe. That's been a meme. But go follow him too. Follow him too. He's cool too. If you want to catch my boy Chain, you can pull up on his Twitter. NSFW warning though. He's into that. It's pretty good. But thank all y'all for watching. Subscribe for more because there's more content coming. I'm making a content push, and thank you so much for popping by. Deuces. Why did I do that? I'm awful.